DisneyCarToys channel.
This is pretty awesome.
And today we have more Hatchimals, and they are at the spa. We have
the spa.
Sauna incubator for a brand new baby Hatchimal. And this one, it could either look like bubbles, so pink, or it could be red, which, I mean, I'm really hoping for the red one. We'll see. So we have so far, how many do we have? 5?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, 5 Hatchimals. So far, our first 3, we got the opposite of what we wanted, but the last 2, we got what we wanted. So we'll see if we can go 3 for 3.
Oh, yeah, that'd be awesome.
or 3 and 3, you know. Anyway.
I know, right? So we can have 3 boys and 3 girls.
Yeah, that'd be cool too. Oh wait, she's sleeping. If you want to rub him or her. There we go. Oh, there we go. We're gonna hatch. Let's see. So maybe we'll turn on the steam a little bit just to help kind of soften up the egg. Oh yeah, there we go. There we go. Spidey's misting it, and then we can get some mist from down here too. There we go. There we go. Okay, crack away. Yeah, geez, this egg is kind of.
Yeah, it's kind of wobbly.
Yeah, it's kind of like cracked here.
Uh-oh.
Oh boy. She's like cracking the whole egg.
Oh my.
No, she cracked the whole egg.
The whole egg is broken.
Uh-oh, which one? I think it's pink. Oh. Uh-oh. We put, she's a twin. Uh-oh, how did this, we've opened a lot of eggs. We've never had this happen.
Look, we have a fail egg.
Yeah, total fail egg.
That's hilarious.
That's weird. That's really weird. This is cool though. Another one.
Oh.
Okay, well let's let her. Actually, we can kind of see while she's hatching. Because we can kind of see. Oh look, we can watch the hatching process. This is actually really cool. Okay, let's see that.
I don't know if many people get to see this. So
this is how the hatching process works.
From the inside, but you don't see it.
Yeah, that's kind of cool. Okay, we'll let her keep going. Here we go.
So she just keeps spinning.
And then the beak goes in and out. See, our last one, the beak stayed in and it never popped ever.
That's
so we've had 2 duds in a row. Is that weird?
I know, it's really weird.
She's like, hello. Twin. Yeah, gotta rub her a little bit.
I know.
It's funny that she doesn't know that her top egg is missing.
I know, yeah. She's like, I'm still in here.
Yeah, but we do have a complete unhatched egg. Oh, hey, you get to see the inside of the egg too.
There's the inside.
Yeah,
it's got, little ridges.
This is where she cracks it. Is this jagged part, and then this is stiffer. Oh, interesting.
And it all breaks.
Yeah, and then here we go.
So I guess this is kind of cool.
Yeah, it is kind of cool. What's inside the Hatchimal? Yeah. That's actually really, really cool. Okay, well, we'll let her pretend and feel like she's hatching.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we need a name. So please remember to name her. So we have Bubbles. I think it'd be cool to do something similar to Bubbles.
Troubles.
She is Troubles. Yeah, that's crazy. I can't believe the egg big time failed. This is really cool. Okay, so we'll have her hang out. Actually, let's have them both hang out in the sauna. Here, then we have the water bottle.
That's right. Oh yeah.
They can both relax in here. There we go. Yeah, very wet. Okay, so our baby is hatching. In the meantime, I have something really special for Phoebe. It is a sprinkle spa. Isn't this awesome? Oh wait, let me rub her hair. There we go.
Is it exfoliating?
Yes, it's exfoliating bath. Here we go. I just figured it'd be something really fun. And then, to help her relax, I figured we can give her a facial inside here. And I have a cucumber. So we're going to put cucumbers over her eyes.
Perfect.
Okay, so for Fifi, we have some lotion. I'm going to just do a tiny bit. Put on my fingers. Yes. And then
moisturizer.
There we go. Nice and relaxing.
Oh, yeah, she's
there we go. And then for her to really relax, we have our cucumber. So it's funny, they're in sync. Fifi and our new one. Oh yeah, because she's sleeping. Wake up.
Wake up and hatch from your non-existent
hatch from your non-existent shell. It's so funny because she thinks she's in her shell.
Yeah, look at that.
Here we go. Here's some cucumbers.
Ooh, nice and soothing on the eyes.
Let's see, let's get her nice and flat. There we go.
There we go.
One cucumber.
Yeah.
There we go. Okay, there we go. Nice and relaxed.
Nice exfoliation.
Sprinkles. And she's like, wait, feed me some. Nom, 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 nom.
We need some complimentary cucumber water.
Yes, that would be nice. There we go. Give her a nice little massage. I don't want to disturb her. There we go. Let's get the sprinkles off. Cucumbers with sprinkles. There we go.
I know, that's an interesting mixture,
nice head massage. There we go.
She's
there we go. Nice and relaxed.
I want to be this bird.
I know, me too. I think it'd be fun to be in a bath with sprinkles.
I know, it'd be like, woo.
And then we have our Draggle. We still need a name for our Draggle, so make sure to vote. And then our next video, we will reveal the name. So we need a name for the Draggle and also for our new kind of faulty twin egg baby.
So even though kind of a fail, it is
kind of cool. Honestly, it's really cool to watch it hatch this way.
It's neat to see what happens.
Yeah.
Because you don't get to see it.
Yeah, you never do. So it's really cool.
Yeah.
And then also for our spa, we have a massage table, doctor's table, right? A little bit of everything. So we're gonna put our new little guy Waddles on the table, and I'll give him a massage.
Oh, there we go. Karate chop.
Yeah. And crack his back. There we go.
Yeah.
He's like, oh yeah, massage the nose. That's what the Hatchimals like. Massaging their nose and their wings. You kind of pull at them, stretch them out. There we go.
Yeah, make them ready to fly.
Stretch. Alright, wait. Stretch. Our new baby is still.
Wake up. There we go.
I wonder, so since the egg is she can kind of stay in this position forever, right?
Maybe.
Because we can keep her a baby forever.
Yeah,
that's what we should baby. Because she won't know that she's not hatching until we take her out of the egg.
That's true.
So yeah, I say we keep her. Actually, let us know. Should we keep her in the egg for a while or not in the egg for a while?
Let her hatch.
Yeah. I think it's kind of cool to have her just kind of stuck in there. Okay, now it's Elena's turn to go in the sauna. She wants to wrap a towel around her fur just because
keep the heat
nice. Yeah, and to keep the feathers nice. So let's wrap it. There we go. There we go. Nice. There we go. And then she's also into her privacy, so she wants a towel wrapped around her body too.
I like this. Too fat for it.
She is. She's kind of a bigger Hatchimal.
I know.
There we go. Elena is moving in. There we go. Let's get. Gotta get our steam going and our steam bottle. There we go. There we go. Nice. This is the coolest thing.
And what?
Alright, and now we're going to do facials. I'm going to do a facial for Bubbles here. So I have Play-Doh. So it's very good for your skin.
I know, right? It's
for Hatchimal skin, not human skin. And actually probably not Hatchimal skin either.
But we'll say it is.
There we go. So right around her beak here.
Relaxing mud scrub on your face.
And then we can kind of rub it a little bit with this towel. There we go.
Soothing eucalyptus oil.
Yes, there we go.
Very
kind of massage it a little bit. There we go. And we leave this on for a couple minutes, so we'll let her sit. Yeah. Actually, I'll put her right here on this table. Yeah, on the massage. She's got her arm up. Nice and relaxed. And then Spidey has for Waddles. What do you got?
Oh yes, I do have. Yeah, I have an actual mud scrub because usually people have mud baths.
Yeah, which is gross. I don't know.
Like a hot mud bath.
Have you ever done that?
No. It feels weird.
I think it'd be gross. I don't know.
So I'll just wrap him in mud.
Yeah, wrap him in mud.
Relaxing mud.
Yes. Do you like it, Waddles? He's like, I think that was a no. There we go.
There's a nice.
They look weird. Yeah. What are we doing to our Hatchimal?
We're rubbing weird mud stuff all over them.
Check out that. It looks like they're still having fun in the sauna though.
Oh yeah, look.
Yeah, and then and then Fifi in her bath too. Pretend hatch.
She was too soothed in the sauna.
Yeah, I think we can seriously keep her in the egg forever, which we might because I think it's kind of fun that way.
She'll just always hatch forever.
Yeah, eternally hatching. Look at it. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool to see just what happens on the inside. Okay, well, I guess we should take off our facial cream here.
Oh yeah, I should probably get him out.
There we go.
It's pretty.
Oh, look how soft her skin looks. She looks seriously 3 days younger. So that's like half her life right here.
Right? Hatchimals' lives. So yummy.
Okay, let's see Waddles. Yeah, very soft. Yeah, do you like it now?
He's like, no, I don't like mud.
Don't do that again. No mud. No
You don't want
mud.
this?
No mud. And yeah, we still have our little hatchling.
Yeah.
Just stuck in the egg.
Yep.
Still keep on hatching. We'll hatch for the rest of its life. Get it out. So yeah, vote on what we should do. And please remember to like and subscribe if you want more Hatchimals videos on DisneyCarToys. Thanks for watching.
Click on a video to watch more from DisneyCarToys. Thanks for watching and have a great day.